आपके अपने चैनल जीवन सूत्रा विद मनीषा में। आशा करती हूँ कि मेरी आज की वीडियो आपको पसंद आएगी। तो अगर मेरी वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए। साथ ही में मेरे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। तो आज हम बात करेंगे अबाउट वेरियस रीजंस बिहाइंड द इनफर्टिलिटी। So many women they are infertile during their reproductive age, but they are unaware of it. What is infertility? Pregnancy is a result of various processes, and it has different steps. Like first of all, there is a release of egg from the female ovary, which is known as ovulation. Now the egg released at ovulation, it is directed to the uterus via fallopian tubes for fertilization. The third step is that the sperms released in the female body, they join the egg in between the way to the uterus. And the fourth and the last step is the embryo formed by joining of sperm and egg, it is safely implanted in the uterus, and this confirms the pregnancy. If any interference occur during these processes, it leads to the infertility. आज हम बात करेंगे उन causes की which leads to the infertility. First and the most common cause of female infertility is ovulation disorder. About 25% of the females which are suffering from infertility, they suffer from ovulation disorders. So ovulation disorder can occur due to hormonal imbalance, or there is some problem in the ovary itself. Some of the example of ovulation disorders include PCOD, that is polycystic ovarian syndrome, or luteal defect, or premature ovarian failure. Second most common cause of infertility is fallopian tube damage, or which is known as tubal infertility. So when the fallopian tubes are blocked or they are damaged by some issue, they just either they prevent the sperm to meet the egg, or they prevent the fertilized egg to reach the uterus. Causes of tubal infertility includes like कोई previous surgery हो abdomen में, या there is an inflammation of fallopian tubes, or there is a previous history of ectopic pregnancy. Third common cause of female infertility is endometriosis. So the tissue which normally grows in the uterus and help in implantation, it grows somewhere else. And due to its extra growth or surgical removal of that tissue, scarring occur in the uterus which interfere with the fertility of a woman. Fourth common cause of infertility is the uterine causes, which may include the uterine tumors, are most common in the females in their 30s, and these tumors they either block the fallopian tubes or they interfere with the implantation process. Cervical narrowing or blockage, which can be due to some injury or due to some inherited disease, they can also leads to the formation of defected cervical mucus, and this defected cervical mucus, it hampers the sperm mobility, which affect the fertilization process and overall female fertility. And last but not the least, there are some causes which are less common, but they affect the fertility of a female, and that is your weight. So when you are trying to conceive, you have to maintain a healthy body weight. You are overweight, then there will be excess fat deposition in your body, and this will hamper the ovulation and thus affect the fertility. On the other hand, if you are underweight or under chronic dieting, then it is associated with the loss of menstrual cycle, which hampers the ovulation and thus resulting in the loss of fertility. Number of studies have shown that high stress level may interfere with the ovulation process and thus decreasing your fertility. So जब भी आप conceive करने को try कर रही हैं, then you have to manage your stress level through the relaxation techniques. Another factor which may disturb your fertility is smoking. इट हैज़ फीमेल स्मोकिंग करती हैं, दे आर मोस्ट लाइकली टू फेस प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक यूट्राइन और ट्यूबल डिसऑर्डर्स, hormonal imbalances, and disturbed menstrual cycle. There are various studies which have shown that the female smokers take more time to conceive than the non-smoker females. सकती हैं कि if you are facing a problem of infertility, इनमें से कोई भी एक कारण हो सकता है आपकी इनफर्टिलिटी का. So, reproductive phase of one's life, we should maintain a healthy lifestyle. We should check our hormonal imbalance and correct them before trying to conceive. Then we should maintain a healthy diet and we should maintain our weight also. We should reduce the stress level and we should also quit smoking and alcohol when we are trying. कि मेरी आज की वीडियो आप सभी के लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगी. तो मिलते हैं मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में किसी और टॉपिक के साथ विच कैन हेल्प यू टू बूस्ट योर फर्टिलिटी. टिल देन, टेक केयर, बाय.